How to log out Binance account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Binance account from other devices. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log out of your Binance account from other devices, you can simply open up Binance on your device first. And here now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. I'll just cross this pop-up. At the top left you can see the Binance icon there, since I haven't added a profile. Once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on your username here again, and then you want to tap on security option. Once under security, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the option that says devices. You want to tap on it and you'll be able to see the list of devices your account is logged in on. You can simply tap on it and you'll find the logout option there. You can see beside your device, you can simply tap on logout and you'll be able to log it out. Now I don't have any other devices, so I can't show it to you, but this is how you can do it. So this way you can log out Binance account from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.